North Carolina. We in state 3.
State 3? Oh, we did it at the same time.
Charlotte. Alright, Charlotte. I don't remember none of this. I don't remember.
Ginger.
Work it out, girl. Work it out.
No, don't do that.
There ain't nothing in here. No livestock.
In 5 years.
Welcome to the
60. We're hurting you. Nope.
That would have been perfect. West Virginia.
Visit corepower.com to learn more.
We're in New York.
Yes.
I am, baby. That's what she shot.
How you gonna tell me I have?
I have with Ebony on her YouTube.
Oh.
The GMA Dome. Good morning, y'all. We have made it, and I'm freezing. I have to let the Jeep warm up because it's 52 degrees and I am cold, okay? It's cold. It's cold. It's cold. We finally made it to New York, y'all. We move in tomorrow, and we are traveling in the midst of a government shutdown. It has been horrible, okay? When I tell you horrible, if you are not prepared like 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 months ahead on finances and all of that stuff, y'all, it has been a struggle, okay? But we made it. We made it. In the midst of a government shutdown, we are military, so we are a part of that government shutdown. We did not get paid, and it's just been a lot, y'all. But today is October the 14th. We move in tomorrow. I'm about to head out to the commissary to grab a few things for breakfast and a few snacks for the kids and stuff like that, and then we'll probably come back and do another like first initial grocery haul. But tomorrow I will give you guys probably the house tour tomorrow, a quick house tour of everything. Our stuff does come on Friday, which is the 17th, so I'll give you guys a house tour. That'll be in this video, and then I don't know what else is going to be in this video. We might do the first move in clean. Travis still has to move out of his apartment, so I'll probably have to help him clean that. And yeah, like, goodness gracious, we have made it. We have made it, y'all. We have made it. I'm a little behind on content this week. Hopefully I can get caught back up because I am so exhausted from just that drive in general. We need to have a sit down and talk about that, but it won't be this morning. My camera is actually about to die, but I just wanted to come in and talk alone because I have been with the kids and Travis. So yeah, we're okay, y'all. We made it. We made it. We hit up like what, 7 states? 6 or 7 states, I can't remember. But y'all, we made it. We made it. I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. All right, y'all, so we are at the new house, and this is a quick house tour. It is much smaller than our last house, but this is one of the first rooms that you see when you come into the front door. This is the living room. This will probably be the kids' living space, family room, whatnot. But yep, I actually really love the floors in here, and the lighting is really nice in here as well. It's going to be Landon's room. It's going to be Travis Jr.'s room. We have a linen closet right there. I didn't even show y'all the closet space for that one. Landon's closet. His room kind of feels like the same size as the last house. This one is Lauren's room. Y'all know her last room was huge, so yeah, but this is a good space for her. This is her closet. Her closet looks like it is the bigger closet again. Is the primary bedroom. And our lighting, I love the lighting too, y'all. The lighting is really nice. And we have the closet. It's a really nice size closet in here. We need to change out those bulbs. And then this is the bathroom. Dual sink, linen closet, shower, toilet. This is the kids' bathroom. Bit more space compared to the last bathroom. Then we have the what is this? Coat closet. There we go. All right, so on this side we have another living room. This will probably be our living room. Kids on the other side. Y'all, I love the floors. I really like these floors. This is the kitchen. We do have an island. I love the floors. I love the lighting in here. I was a little worried about the windows. I just felt like it was so dark, but I love it. I love it, y'all. This is our kitchen, our island. We have the sink on the island. The stove looks like gas. Not a fan of that, but yeah. A lot of cabinet space. Cabinet space on the island, dishwasher. Pantry is pretty nice. Doesn't have those wire racks that I do not like. White refrigerator, honey. Yeah. I like these long cabinets, okay. Hate that open space up there. Same with our house. Let me turn the light on. Okay. All right. Y'all, look at this laundry room. Look at the laundry room. Look at the shelving. Okay. We also got like a little, what is this thing called? Sink for the laundry room. I love that. I have this little room, which is going to be my little office space. Love that for me. Really cool. We also have some cabinets over here. Nice. And then I wasn't really feeling the garage. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. Look, more light. The garage, I feel like it's just not clean. Like, I don't know. I just feel like it's not clean enough or something. I don't know. But this is the garage. It has shelves right there. We have also a little storage. It's gonna drown out. Got a little storage room in there. And the backyard, y'all, pretty huge. A lot of space back here, y'all. A lot of space. A little patio. And then we have this little area right here. That's it, y'all. That is the house tour. But I got a few things that I'm gonna take out of the trunk and bring in, just put it on the floor.
You give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah.
All right, y'all, so that's pretty much everything that I can do like for right now. About to go back and grab the rest of our things and try to get them over here, load it up, get them over here. And yeah, I'll probably end up doing like a good move in, wipe down. Don't know how that's gonna go, but I'm gonna try.
Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah. Cuando bailas, you give me everything, yeah. I like it when you let me drink you in, yeah.
Don't say you can't, 'cause you can. Stop worrying. Try to forgive, 'cause we all are suffering. Yeah. Don't let them get in your head. Don't let them win. No. You're trying hard to pursue a dream that's not your own. Don't care about what they expect you to be. 'Cause when you find out what that truly means, wherever you are, you still feel alone. Always afraid of the unknown, 'cause we are not alright. Alright.
Y'all, so I don't really have like a lot of cleaning supplies, and I really didn't want to use like harsh chemicals for it because I just don't want to use harsh chemicals at all anymore unless I have to. And honestly, it's really not like dirty in here. It's a few areas that need a little bit of done, but it's really not like nasty or dirty in here. Military housing usually do a really good job with like move out and move in cleaning, so it's not really dirty. I am just gonna go to the bathrooms and spray down the stuff with like the Lysol cleaner, and I think that's gonna be it for like the cleaning. I have a Walmart pickup order at 6, so yeah, that's just what I'm about to do.
So don't go pursue a dream that's not your own.
All right, y'all, so I just finished cleaning a little bit. It was so messy everywhere. It was just so much going on, y'all. I would get in front of the camera right now, but I'm just looking too crazy to be doing all of that. The movers will be dropping the stuff off, unpacking and all of that stuff in the next 30 minutes. And yeah, I just cleaned up. We did a Walmart. The dishwasher is just extremely loud, but we did go to Walmart. There was so much going on. We had to get all of this stuff last night loaded up in a U-Haul, and it was just a lot. It was a lot. So we decided to put the couches over here. These couches over here, the bigger couch won't fit on this side, so these are over here by the door, and then we're gonna put that big sectional over here. The only issue is the kitchen table. So y'all, we're gonna be out of space up in here, honey, because yeah. And then the large TV is gonna go on the wall. But yeah, that's what's going on right now. Did a pickup order last night of some stuff. Stuff came over from Travis' apartment. But yeah, we got a lot of organizing and stuff. The deep freezer comes today, so I'm not too worried about this because we do have a deep freezer. We cooked some bacon and eggs this morning. I'm about to hop in the shower really quick. Kobe is outside, y'all, and he is still trying to like feel the backyard. Oh, he's still trying to figure it out back there. The garage. So we brought this over from the apartment too. It's about to be crazy. This is the old bed And we were just going back and forth about that bed, so I think we're gonna put up the brown bed. Still got a lot of stuff everywhere, y'all. It's about to be crazy in a few. Wants the movers bring all of that stuff. 2 rugs are at Travis' apartment, so that'll go right here. But I did see some nightstands that I'm looking at. I don't have a problem. I don't think we're gonna have an issue with the bedroom, with the bed fitting and stuff. We could very well, I don't know. I think the bed is just gonna be the headboard between those windows and then nightstands on the side. That's pretty much the only way that I can see it working, so that we can still have room and space. Travis got this stand, so this is going to be hers. It's so stinking cute. It's so cute for her. So that'll be that. You know, she has her twin size bed that'll probably go somewhere over here, probably on this side up against the wall. And then she did get a dresser, so her dresser will probably, I don't know, y'all. Oh, ain't no light in here. Or is it not working? It's just, oh, it's probably in here. Duh. Okay, so in her closet situation, but yeah, that'll probably be her TV stand. She does have an IKEA cube shelf, and that may as well, that might go like right on the side of it. That'll work. And she just got a dresser too, so her I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. And then our closet, y'all, it's a mess up in there. But I'm gonna get off of here, hop in the shower real quick, and yeah, this is what's going on. It's a lot, y'all. So much stuff again. All right, y'all. Everything is done. Now it is time to start unpacking. So much more work to do. It's the washing machine. The laundry room looks like. The kitchen, I've already started working on the kitchen. As you can see, it's pretty maxed out in here. Lauren, it's a bunch of boxes. You can let Kobe out too. Living room, not too bad in here. In Landon's room, Travis Jr.'s room, Lauren's room, and our room.